Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily source headline news. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. On Sunday, former CNN host Don Lemon live-streamed as anti-ICE protesters stormed City's Church in St. Paul, Minnesota, disturbing parishioners during Sunday Mass. Lemon, claiming that the pastor had worked for ICE, justified the protests, claiming that the protesters who interrupted the church service to harass Christians in their place of worship are protected by the First Amendment. The Justice Department says otherwise and has begun an investigation into Sunday's actions. Harmeet Dillon, the Assistant Attorney General for the DOJ's Civil Rights Division, and the Justice Department said they are investigating anti-ICE protesters. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi confirmed the DOJ investigation, saying she had been in constant contact with Assistant AG Dillon over the events, which the DOJ is investigating at her direction. Any violation of federal law by these anti-ICE protesters will be prosecuted. And that will do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more. Every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then.